According with the United Nations, the fashion industry is one of the most polluting. The total of emissions of greenhouse gases in the garment production is about 1.2 billion of tons per year. And also, in the other hand, plastic bags take between 100 and 1,000 years to decompose. But how are we affected by this issue? First, people are affected by this issue because the CO2 emissions impact. Also, breathing becomes more difficult as the levels of CO2 keep rising. These emissions can provoke headaches. And another effect to the environment produced by the CO2 emissions is the famous climate change and the air pollution. According with the NAWO, the temperature of the surface of the earth has risen over the last 100 years. There are a lot of issues that are affecting our planet, really much, and in a big way. But I can tell you a lot of more problems, but let's talk about the solution. To be part of the change and decrease the global warming, we need to start applying new habits in our lifestyle. We can start by the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. And we can do it buying tote bags from Make It Green project or donate to the cause. Make It Green was created to participate in the reduction of the pollution that the plastic and the fashion industry is producing in our planet. And it's doing good things with the circular economy. As most of you know, since March 1st of this year, plastic bags are prohibited in our city. And for some people, this is a big problem. But I have heard some people arguing with the cashier of the stores like an OXXO, for example, about the plastic bags. But in my opinion, this upgrade is good for the Mexican law. Because now we must bring our bags to the grocery store and to any other commercial establishment. And here is the point where you will need Make It Green project. This new product is a tote bag with compartments inside that will help you to save all your grocery shopping and all your stuff in just one bag. And the best part of it is that you are not polluting. These bags are made by a circular fashion process with old and used clothes that have a second chance of reuse. We have different ways to own a beautiful and eco-friendly Make It Green tote bag. First, you can just buy your favorite bag in the online store. And the second, you can donate your old clothes and we can make a new and personalized tote bag just for you. If you get your Make It Green tote bag, you will be part of a big community of green citizens who are doing great actions to save our planet. And also, you are also contributing with the research and development department of the company because the 30% of our profits are for the research of new fabrics that not produce CO2 for our planet. And if your decision is not to participate in the Make It Green project, you will be part of the people that are not doing nothing, but they're still polluting the world where all we live. So, the decision is on you. It is a responsibility as humans to change our habits of consumption by doing the 3 R's, as I said before, reducing, reusing, and recycling, or things and stuff like your clothes. And we will help to reduce the pollution and the CO2 levels produced by the textile fabrics and the plastic bags. The fashion industry and the plastic are our biggest enemies because all the bad things that they are producing in our environment. You can be part of the Make It Green project to help the reduction of this problem. There are expectations that mention that the emission from the textile sector are going to increase a 60% by the 2030. So we have 10 years to reduce these expectations. And I highly recommend you to do something for our planet and contribute hand to hand with Make It Green project to increase this community of change. You can find all our products in our website, and also you can find how you can help to this cause. Finally, keep in mind that ecology is not only a trend, it's a really need. Thank you. Do you have any questions?
Just one bag?
Yes.
Oh my.
Thank you.